Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at beginners and we read a story with the title Jasper the Juggler. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify the vocabulary and practice the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. In a small, bustling village nestled in the mountains lived a cheerful boy named Jasper. Jasper had a special talent. He could juggle anything: apples, sticks, socks, even cups. Nothing was too tricky for him. Jasper spent his days entertaining the villagers in the square. His favorite trick was juggling 6 colorful balls while balancing on one leg. The crowd would cheer and toss coins into his hat. But Jasper had a dream. One day I'll be the greatest juggler in the world, he told his pet parrot, Percy. Percy squawked, "Greatest juggler, greatest juggler." One sunny morning, Jasper saw a poster in the village square. It read, "The Great Circus Extravaganza. Show your talent and join us." Jasper's eyes lit up. "This is my chance," he exclaimed. The circus was far away, across rivers and through forests. Jasper packed his juggling balls, a loaf of bread, and a flask of water. "Goodbye, everyone," he called to the villagers. "Wish me luck." Jasper set off on his adventure with Percy perched on his shoulder. The first challenge came quickly. A rickety old bridge swayed over the rushing river. "Careful, Percy," Jasper said, balancing his juggling balls as they crossed. In the forest, Jasper met a friendly fox named Felix. "Where are you headed, young juggler?" Felix asked. When Jasper explained, Felix offered, "Let me guide you. I know a shortcut." Felix led Jasper through the forest, but they encountered a mischievous group of monkeys. The monkeys loved juggling and wanted Jasper to teach them. Jasper agreed and performed a quick juggling lesson. The monkeys cheered and clapped. They gave Jasper a golden banana as a gift. "For good luck," they said. Jasper thanked them and continued his journey. As night fell, Jasper and Felix camped under the stars. Percy whistled a lullaby while Felix told stories of the forest. Jasper juggled glowing fireflies to light up their campsite. The next day, they reached a bustling town. Jasper decided to perform in the market square to earn a little extra money. His juggling amazed everyone, and a kind baker gave him a fresh loaf of bread. While leaving the town, they met a grumpy bear blocking the road. "Why are you so angry?" Jasper asked. The bear grumbled, "I lost my honey jar." Jasper juggled apples to make the bear smile. Felix found the honey jar nearby and returned it. The bear was so happy that he shared his honey with them. "You're a talented juggler," the bear said. "Good luck on your journey." Finally, they reached the circus. The tent was enormous, with bright red and yellow stripes. Jasper's heart raced as he stepped inside. Performers were practicing everywhere. Acrobats flipping, clowns tumbling, and magicians pulling rabbits from hats. Jasper felt a little nervous, but excited. The ringmaster, a tall man with a booming voice, announced, "Show me your skills, young man." Jasper stepped forward, juggling 6 balls with ease. Then he added 3 sticks, 2 hats, and even Percy. The crowd of performers cheered. The ringmaster clapped and said, "Welcome to the circus, Jasper the juggler." Jasper joined the circus and practiced every day. He made friends with the performers and learned new tricks, like juggling fire and riding a unicycle. One day, the circus arrived in a big city. Jasper performed for the largest crowd he had ever seen. He juggled flaming torches, plates, and even a watermelon. The audience gave Jasper a standing ovation. Reporters took his picture and children asked for his autograph. But something was missing. Jasper missed his village, his friends, and the little square where it all began. He decided to take a short break from the circus and visit home. The villagers were thrilled to see him. Jasper performed his new tricks, and the square was filled with laughter and applause. Jasper realized that being a great juggler wasn't just about big crowds. It was about sharing joy wherever he went. He returned to the circus with a new idea. Let's visit small towns and villages, he suggested to the ringmaster. Let's bring the magic of the circus to everyone. The ringmaster agreed, and soon the circus began traveling to tiny villages, including Jasper's. The villagers cheered when the circus rolled into town. Jasper became the star of the show, juggling everything from flowers to flaming hoops. He inspired children to follow their dreams, just like he had. One day, Jasper received a letter from a little boy. It said, "You're my hero, Jasper. I want to be a juggler just like you." Jasper smiled and wrote back, "Practice every day and follow your heart. You can achieve anything." Years passed and Jasper became famous across the world. But he always remembered the little village where it all started. And so Jasper the juggler continued his incredible adventures, spreading joy and magic wherever he went. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.